Welcome to Synth Reality Labs, your gateway to the future of robotics and STEM education. Whether you're a curious beginner or an aspiring expert, our AI-powered platform makes learning robotics not just accessible, but deeply engaging and fun. Learning robotics can be daunting. The steep learning curve, technical jargon, and scattered resources often discourage new learners. But with Synth Reality Labs, it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing Synth Reality Labs Robot Studio, an all-in-one platform where learning robotics is intuitive, engaging, and accessible from day one. At the heart of this experience is Synth, your AI-powered expert. Synth adapts to your pace, guides you through challenges, and helps you learn by doing, all in your native language. With Synth, you can start mastering robotics without needing a physical robot, on desktop, web, mobile, or in mixed reality. Synth Reality Labs. Robot Studio is powered by Synth, an AI agent that's more than just a tutor. Synth can interact directly within the simulation, resetting positions, enabling features, and even challenging you to improve. With structured lessons and real-time evaluation, Synth tailors the learning experience to your needs. Explore our mixed reality integration where virtual and real robots pair seamlessly, and discover a host of additional features designed to enhance your robotics journey. Synth Reality Labs is more than just a learning platform. It's a tool to democratize robotics education, making it enjoyable for everyone, regardless of their background. By breaking down barriers, we empower the next generation of innovators and contribute to a more sustainable and connected world. Start your journey in robotics today. Visit synthrealitylabs.com and take the first step into the future of learning.